This course provides a complete ergonomic analysis of your current working posture by doing video assessments. We're going to do in these 2 days of hands-on work through the microscope in all the quadrants with direct and indirect vision for all procedures in dentistry in a dental operatory setting. We're going to do a personalized training tailored to your individual needs and skill level. Learn how to select the proper stool and how to position yourself and the patient for maximum ergonomics and productivity. Everything you need to practice with a microscope 100% of the time is the goal. How to use video and photo documentation with a microscope and how to set up a microscope-centered practice.